Hello everyone. Welcome to a new video. Before starting, I would request you all to please subscribe to this channel as this channel needs your support. Also access this cybersecurity playlist. Link of the playlist is in the description box. Today we are going to learn various types of cybersecurity. So let's get started. Here are the main types of cybersecurity. 1. Network security. Purpose: protects the integrity and usability of a computer network and its data. Focus: prevents unauthorized access, misuse, or theft of network resources. Techniques: firewalls, intrusion detection and prevention systems, IDS/IPS. VPNs, virtual private networks. Network segmentation. Examples: preventing hackers from accessing a company's internal servers. Blocking malicious traffic in real time. 2. Application security. Purpose: secures software and apps from external threats. Focus: protects sensitive data and ensures applications function securely. Techniques: code reviews, security testing e.g. pen testing, fuzzing. Encryption and secure coding practices. Examples: ensuring an e-commerce website doesn't leak credit card details. Preventing SQL injection or cross-site scripting (XSS) attacks. 3. Information security, InfoSec. Purpose: safeguards data, both in storage and in transit, from unauthorized access. Focus: confidentiality, integrity, and availability CIA triad of information. Techniques: encryption, access controls e.g. passwords, multi-factor authentication. Data masking. Examples: protecting customer information in databases. Encrypting emails to secure communication. 4. Cloud security. Purpose: protects data, applications, and systems hosted in the cloud. Focus: secures the infrastructure, applications, and data stored in cloud environments. Techniques: cloud access security brokers, CASBs. Identity and access management, IAM. Cloud encryption. Examples: ensuring only authorized users access sensitive cloud-stored files. Securing data transfers between on-premises systems and the cloud. 5. Endpoint security. Purpose: protects individual devices e.g. laptops, smartphones, connected to a network. Focus: prevents malware, ransomware, and unauthorized access at the device level. Techniques: antivirus software, endpoint detection and response (EDR) tools. Device encryption. Examples: stopping a phishing email from installing malware on a user's laptop. Preventing data theft from stolen devices. 6. Mobile security. Purpose: secures mobile devices, smartphones, tablets, and the apps on them. Focus: protects against malware, phishing, and app-based attacks. Techniques: mobile device management, MDM. App Store vetting. Secure app development. Examples: preventing malicious apps from stealing personal data. Encrypting mobile communications to ensure privacy. 7. Internet of Things IoT security. Purpose: secures interconnected devices e.g. smart home systems, wearable tech. Focus: protects devices and data from attacks exploiting IoT vulnerabilities. Techniques: device authentication, secure firmware updates, network segmentation for IoT devices. Examples: preventing a smart thermostat from being hacked. Ensuring data from wearable fitness devices isn't intercepted. 8. Operational security, OPSEC. Purpose: protects processes and decisions related to sensitive data and resources. Focus: identifies and mitigates risks in operations. Techniques: risk assessment, access control policies, incident response planning. Examples: ensuring only authorized personnel can access confidential project plans. Preventing sensitive documents from being leaked. 9. Identity and access management, IAM. Purpose: ensures that only authorized individuals can access specific resources. Focus: controls user identities and their access privileges. Techniques: multi-factor authentication, MFA. Single sign-on, SSO. Role-based access control, RBAC. Examples: restricting admin-level access to system-critical operations. Using biometric authentication like fingerprints to unlock accounts. 10. Disaster recovery and business continuity. Purpose: prepares systems to quickly recover from cyber attacks or other disruptions. Focus: minimizes downtime and ensures essential services remain operational. Techniques: data backups, disaster recovery plans (DRPs), redundancy systems. Examples: recovering lost data after a ransomware attack, ensuring e-commerce services stay online during a cyber outage. 11. Social engineering security. Purpose: protects against attacks that exploit human behavior. Focus: prevents manipulation tactics used by attackers. Techniques: employee training, anti-phishing software, incident reporting systems. Examples: educating employees to recognize phishing emails, blocking malicious links sent via email. 12. Critical infrastructure security. Purpose: protects essential systems like power grids, water supplies, and transportation. Focus: safeguards systems that, if compromised, can impact national security or public safety. Techniques: risk assessment, real-time monitoring, secure SCADA systems, supervisory control, and data acquisition. Examples: preventing attacks on a city's electricity grid, securing industrial control systems from cyber sabotage. With this, we have reached end of our tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. I would like to request you to post your comments regarding topics which you want to be covered in this course. See you in the next video. Like this video and share it with your friends who want to learn cybersecurity. And do not forget to subscribe and access this cybersecurity playlist. Thank you.